thought it'd be really fun to make some soup to, oh, thank you. I love you. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday, and I thought today would be a really fun day to just do kind of like a day in the life, hang out with me. We're gonna do some cooking today. Liv and I are gonna get out for a walk because that is one of my New Year's micro goals, is just to get out for a walk every single day. So we're gonna get out for a walk and go run around the park. And we're gonna do that quickly this morning because it's gonna rain. So because it's gonna be a nice, cold, rainy day today, I thought it'd be really fun to make some soup to, oh, thank you. I love you. I thought it'd be really fun to make some soup together. So we're gonna make soup. I'm gonna make a delicious chicken and turmeric ginger gut healing soup. And you're just gonna hang out with me and Liv today. I am not put together yet because we're just gonna go to the park and it's wet outside. So I'll throw myself together later. I'll actually look presentable later, but I just wanted to do a quick check-in this morning. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And hang in there because it's gonna be a really fun day. You ready? All right. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it back from our walk just in time. It is pouring outside and it's freezing. We were there for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I'm gonna change because I'm in full rain gear, and then we'll jump into making some soup. So I'll check back in a few minutes.
I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense. There's no reason why I still fall back to you.
Okay, so we're gonna blend this up really quick, but I just wanted to take a second and talk to you about the way I build my smoothies and how I think about my smoothies. I always put greens in my smoothie. I always add water to my smoothie. This one has coffee left over. I used to make this smoothie all the time, but I can only have 1 cup of coffee a day. And we went to the park and I left my coffee here. So I'm gonna use my coffee in my smoothie today, and then I just added a little bit of this coconut milk. This is simple coconut milk, there's no guar gum in it. When you're on a SIBO diet, you can have up to 1/4 cup of coconut milk, so there's a little bit less than that in there. But it's really important to make sure that you don't have guar gum in there. These are my 2 favorite healthy fats that I normally put in my smoothies. Normally I only do 1, but today we did both because I'm really, really hungry, and healthy fats are what make me feel full longer. Along the line of healthy fats, I have been adding this MCT oil, which I checked my list. I'm allowed to have MCT oil because it's a derivative of coconut, and it's actually on my list in the OK zone. So I just use a very small amount, but it is so good for helping you feel fuller longer. It's like, if you know what bulletproof coffee is, or bullet coffee, whatever that's called, a lot of people use MCT oil in that. This is just a powder version, and I have been really enjoying this in my smoothies, and it has not been irritating my stomach, so that is a win. Some of the other superfoods that I really like to put in my smoothie, obviously if you guys have been following my channel for a long time, Ultra Cleanse is a go-to. The Superfood Greens Plus D by Tropika is my all-time favorite greens powder. They are still out of it, so just waiting for that to come back, and then I'll be placing another order. Maca powder, especially in my sweet savory, like this is gonna be a chalk peanut butter delicious smoothie. This maca powder, it helps with your stamina, it keeps me going throughout the day, it tastes like really delicious honeycomby kind of a flavor. It makes it taste more like a milkshake to me versus just a smoothie. So I absolutely love adding this to my smoothies as much as I possibly can. And then my two favorite proteins are the chocolate protein and the vanilla lean protein, but I've actually used this Sarah's Day protein and I really, really like it. We'll use this guy in our next smoothie recipe because it's really good. And this really makes your smoothies taste like a milkshake. It is so good. I don't think it tastes like cookie dough. That's supposed to be the flavor. But if you need like a sugar craving fix, this guy is your guy. Okay, here you go. You can have it. So let's just blend this up and then we're actually gonna go in and do nap with Olivia. Well, we're not, but we are. And then we will be making soup while Liv is napping, and then that will be my later afternoon lunch snack. I don't know, whatever it's gonna be. So let's blend this up and then I'll be back to make some soup in a little bit.
Your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, we were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're
All right, you guys, I am back. I'm gonna talk quietly because Liv is napping. I'm still sipping on my smoothie. It's a good one. So let's make some soup, but I just want to talk to you guys about it really fast. I'm gonna make it in a very SIBO friendly way. I am going to be using leftover turkey that I made a turkey for Thanksgiving and I froze some in the freezer. I also used that turkey to make turkey bone broth, so I will be using my homemade bone broth. I think I've only found one bone broth at the store that does not have onions or garlic in it. So if you're SIBO, you have to make sure to either one, make your own bone broth, or two, really check your ingredients. I am adding 3 stalks of celery because I can eat 1 stalk of celery a day and I find that I don't even get a full stalk of celery in a bowl of soup, so it really hasn't bugged my stomach at all. And it's the little pleasures, you guys. I haven't eaten celery in months, and just adding it to my soup, it tastes really good. I'm super excited. I'm also going to be using fresh ginger and turmeric as well as powdered ginger and turmeric. And with this recipe, I do add a little bit of coconut milk just to give it a little bit of a creaminess to it and to add some healthy fats to it. So just a little bit, and again, no guar gum. You gotta get the simplified version if you're SIBO. Now, I've had a couple requests for vegan. So if you're gonna make this in a vegan style, make sure to just use a vegetable stock or a vegetable broth. You can make your own at home. And then if you're gonna be adding tofu or tempeh, I would highly recommend pan cooking it first, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic, maybe some cumin would be really good. Just make sure to pan cook it a little bit and then put it in. And if you pan cooked it with a little bit of coconut oil, I think that would be delicious. And lastly, before I start prepping all my veggies, if you are not SIBO, if you're not working with gut issues, please feel free to add a yellow onion. With this recipe, I would probably do a half of a yellow onion and some garlic. Please feel free to add onion and garlic to yours. It would taste really delicious with onion and garlic. However, this gal can't do that. So I'm omitting that, but if you can eat it, it will add a lot of flavor to your soup. So let's get going. So the longer that simmers, the more delicious it is. I like to let mine simmer at least for an hour. It just lets all of those spices really like amp up. It's really delicious. While that's simmering and getting all flavorful, let's go do our 10-minute workout. I've been switching up when I've been doing my workouts. I used to work out first thing in the morning, but I'm in a flare, I'm not feeling super great, and Liv has not been sleeping really well at nights. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm tired. So I normally do some stretching and then I get work done in the morning, and I've been doing my 10-minute workout during the day. Now, our trip to the park turned into me running a little bit, and we definitely ran around the playground. So I feel like I got my workout in today, but I'm gonna do 3 exercises because that's my goal, 3 body weighted exercises. And I think today I'm gonna focus mostly on abs because that's the goal for this year. Let's get those shredded abs. So we're gonna go do some abs and then I'll show you the soup when it's done.
I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know it better.
Okay guys, so that was about 7 minutes and it was plenty. My abs are burning, my body is tired. I did a walk, I did a bit of a run, and so this is it for my body today. Oh my goodness guys, PS, check out this sports bra. This is my ideal sports bra. I have a really short torso and I like that this is cropped and the band fits perfectly. It's not too tight. It is super comfortable. This is a Svelte Bell bra. Their pants, I'm still on the fence about. I really love my Fabletics, so it's really hard for me to get into their pants. Their pants are buttery soft, but they're just really thin, and I like something that's a little bit thicker. It makes me feel like I'm tight, like sucked in, if you know what I mean. But their sports bras are the best. I absolutely love them. They wash and wear beautifully. They're thick, they're soft, they're comfortable. I love them. I'm very picky about my sports bras. There's not a lot of sports bras from Fabletics that one fit me because they're all for like bigger chested girls, or they're too tight around the rib cage, and I hate really tight around the rib cage, especially when I'm inflamed. It's not fun. So I got this one, and I think the black one's right here. I also have this black one that I just got, and I love the scoop neck. It's super flattering. They're super cute. I'm loving them. So I just wanted to throw that in there because I'm wearing it and they're amazing. The recipe will be linked down below. If you guys try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm at thesickfitchick_LSF. Go follow me over there for more recipes, fitness, psoriatic arthritis, all of the things. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will show you the soup as soon as it's done, so hang in there for that. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. I put out new videos every Thursday and Sunday, so stick around. We got fun fitness, vlogs, makeup, because you guys, it's all about being confident, being beautiful, and being you. So stick around. I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. All right, you guys, so this is what you'll want it to look like. For me personally, there's not enough broth in there. I like a very brothy soup. I added more vegetables than I did last time, and I only de-thawed 4 cups of broth. Normally that's enough, but then I added parsnips and I added the full head of kale because I really want the kale in there. So this doesn't quite have enough broth for me, but it smells amazing. And I'm actually gonna dive into some right now because I am starving. What? We're gonna go to the couch. We're gonna go to the couch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.